Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And you guys might be wondering what's going on thus. No more videos coming up in the channel. It's been already a week. Just because I'm working on something very different. I'm just getting introduced to FPV. And I went myself and bought this Emax Tiny Hawk. Now, as you know that I don't want to jump and do the review on this because it's my first time flying FPV, and what an experience Emax on this tiny drone. And I'm going to post for the first time. I'm trying to do something very innovative with the review because my plan is to do a complete different way of reviewing this product. So I'm just going to take a little bit of time on this. But today we are going to talk about something that just came out 2 days back, and it was presented to us by Verge. So all you guys who are having DJI, and we guys have been waiting for a long time about the DJI Phantom 5, right? So you might be seeing that even for those who are interested in the Phantom 4, Phantom 4 Pro, and Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian, you go to a retailer and you ask them, hey guys, I need a Phantom 4. What happened to it? Well, those are not in stock anymore. And a lot of the time we are asking like, what's going on? A few months back, if you are watching very closely my channel, I did post a video about Phantom 5 rumors and leaks and everything. And I was closely following all this stuff that's going on. So especially I'm following Drone DJ. Just because that website was giving us information about an interchangeable camera for the Phantom 5, and I was super excited for it. Then last year when this leak happened, it didn't release. Instead of that, Mavic 2 got released, right? So this was the thing that's posted by Verge. I'm just going to put it on the screen so that you don't get bored by seeing me all the time. So basically what has happened is that there was a little bit of rumor that DJI has actually ended their Phantom line with the exception of the Phantom 4 Pro. And he told the drone owners, as spotted by Drone DJ, as you can see out here, that they will not have a Phantom. Day before yesterday, Drone DJ actually had said in his website that it's not going to happen anymore because Phantom 5 that we have been waiting for with interchangeable lens has been cancelled. And I was super depressed. But then again, Verge wrote this back again to us. DJI are telling that the reports are totally not true at all because they are running short of parts. As you can see right now, due to a shortage of parts from supplier, DJI is unable to manufacture more Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0, and that is the reason the drones are not being seen in the market for a long time. And everybody's like, all we see is Mavics right now. It's just that they have to figure out about their parts and everything, just because DJI always offers quality products. And there has been a lot of rumors about it, and I've actually posted a lot of pictures that actually was taken from the montage that was created by Drone DJ. But a very an important point is that when you see a drone, like any drone, as for example one of these racing quads or anything, you will see that these drones are very aerodynamic, and DJI Phantom originally was a box shaped. But the good thing about the Phantom was that hand catch and hand launch was very easy. So when I was taking off from boats and everything, as you can see some shots, I'll show you some example shots, over the river shots and everything. It was very easy for me to catch that. Now, drones are going very compact. They're going smaller. Will the iconic DJI Phantom series be totally stopped? That's a very big question. What do you guys think about it? Do you think DJI actually is going to stop their Phantom lineup? Do you guys actually think whether the Phantom, the whole Phantom lineup is actually required or not? Because that's a very good question. Because with the release of the Mavic Pro, though it has a 1-inch sensor, then we had a lot of trouble that some people are saying they're not using that 1-inch sensor. Do you think they're going to kill it or not? Why is it so? Because I think the era has changed. For 5 years, the drone has served our purpose. Now I think it's too big and bulky, and everybody wants to strip down their parts, make as small as possible, the gimbals to be as accurate as possible. Retail stores are actually writing discontinued. That's why everybody wanted to know like what's going on. So that's pretty much it. To wrap it up, DJI Phantom 5 might happen, might not happen, who knows, but we are going to see what happens in the future, though the Verge is confirming that it is going to, DJI did not kill their lineup. So Phantom owners, if you are planning to hold for Phantom 5, wait and see what's going to happen this summer. If they eventually launch a Phantom 5 or not. But if you are still holding off, Mavic 2 Pro is amazing. The only thing with me and the new DJI Mavic 2 Pro in Los Angeles is the geofencing issue as a hobbyist. But then again, like I was actually going to only one location when I started shifting locations. I actually found those to be DJI Mavic to be spot on, like, so I literally think that, like for me, it doesn't matter if DJI actually kills their Phantom lineup and start their Mavic as their prosumer lineup, and then they have Inspires, like, and then they have the Spark for beginners, intermediate, Mavic Air for travel. So Phantom out here doesn't fit, like, so I think probably Phantom 5, as my opinion, probably will never happen anymore with interchangeable lenses. Let me know in comment section below what you think, and see you again on another episode. Next episode is going to happen probably end of this week. This project is coming up, the Emax Tiny Hawk. I am loving this. I've got DVR recorded and everything. Just because it doesn't have a DVR, I could not record all my footage. So the DVR just arrived from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, for shipping it really, really fast. And after that, we are going to check what's going to happen. So take care. See you guys again on another episode. Till then, keep on watching. Opinions matter.